What's going on? Style Free Nation in the building. How you doing? Wanted to do a quick tutorial. Also, real quick, say everybody should wear your mask, stay safe, keep your family safe, be considerate to others. As much as they telling us in the hood, not to, I still advise people to still care about their kids and grandparents and stuff like that. That's why I do it. You know what I mean? I get why the hood don't do it, but anyway. I'm doing a quick tutorial for a few of my peoples. They wanted to see how we get these shirts done and how we do this. So I'm going to show a quick tutorial. Fetty, what it do? Deja, how you doing? Let's get this money. I'm going to show you real quick how it's done. First, you go in here. You want to make sure whatever design you creating, you create it. Like right now, this design, it's the right way, this way, right? So you want to make sure that it's backwards. You want to make sure that you turn it the opposite way. That's a big thing you want to make sure you do. Okay? Now wherever you got your paper, blah, 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 everybody should know all that. Wherever you put in it, make sure that's where the paper's at. Make sure that's where it go. Now, on to the next step. Once you got that and you transfer it to your machine, once you transfer it to this machine right here, it's going to come up. You're going to see it there. Get close up on that. You're going to see that it's on there. You know what I'm saying? And I got it there, so this is where I'm going to make sure I got my paper. Boom. Now onto the paper. Now with the paper, it's a this is vinyl. So it got two sides. And one side you could tell that it's a plastic. And the other side you could tell, which would be the side that you do whatever you do. But for this, you want to make sure the plastic is facing down on it. It ain't all pretty right now. I'm just showing you so you know what to do. But alright, cool. Let me make sure that it's lined up right. Yep, enough space. So now I'm gonna load it. You gotta make sure it's in there right. That's number one. Alright, now another something else that's important is this piece right here, your pen. You want to make sure that it's on between 3.5, 4. You don't really want to go up too much where you cut through the plastic. You want to make sure that it doesn't cut through the plastic. So I put it on, I put it on the 3, 3.5, 3.25. You know what I'm saying? Just to make sure it don't cut through my plastic. Now I'm going to go ahead and get it cut. As you can see, it's cutting it particularly, and this is where I like to say saving a lot of time on any artwork, anything like that. that you may do particularly. And this is a good machine that you can use. And in there got settings of all sorts of shapes, sizes, and all that you can do. But this is just really a tutorial on this is just a basic tutorial on transferring it to the shirt. It's done. So now my joint all done. So now, see what I'm saying? It's on there. Let's take you into the light a little bit. Now it's on there. So now I'm going to just peel that thing off. As you can see, I peeled it off. So now what I need to do is peel this part off the plastic so that my design is still left on there. Now remember, this is the right way. So when you put it on there, now it's going to be facing the right way. That was the reason for me telling you at the beginning. It's very important to make sure that it's backwards. So now I'm going to peel it. Which may take time, because this is the part that's like, you know, picking corners off of something. So it may take time, but it's still a lot easier than the other way. So now see, once I got it, I'm going to just start to peel. Nice and easy. You don't want to peel too fast. You don't want to just rip it off. Me, I take my time because I want to make sure that my design stays on the plastic. So when it's crinkled, I make sure to still try to straighten it up. When you pulling this paper off, make sure that when you peel it and it start crinkling up, move your finger around somewhere else on the plastic so that it straightens up and it gives you more of a straight, more sturdier pull. And then boom, voila. So now you see I like to be easy with it. I don't want to mess it up. Boom, voila. There go your design. So me, I put it down, because obviously you got little bits and pieces. Go get you a spatula. You want to get for other types of material, make sure you got you a spatula. Make sure you got you one of these joints and a tweezer, so to pull little pieces that get, you know what I mean? So you don't want to mess up the design. So now, I'm going to take my little piece here. I'm going to dig out those pieces. You feel me, deal with me? Easy. Easy money. Easy money. Easy money. So now, I got my design. Booyah, cow! So see, now we got it here. So for sure, just in case you see, this is how we put something like that together. You see what I'm saying? We got stuff on that. Okay, so now here go my next joint to do. Now it's straight. So I'm gonna leave that one alone. And I'm gonna jump to something I was already doing to finish. I wanted to finish this shirt here. I want to put my logo on the back. And I got this side all ready and done. So I advise you to lay down something to keep it nice and moist, so that it stays on the shirt and not come off on anything else, because the press will press. It should be good, but I just like to be careful when I do what I do. So I advise y'all to be careful. So now, turn on my machine. I got my design and place it where I want it to be. Feel me? Place it where I want it to be. Cover it up. Voila. You know, take your time, put it on the settings that you want it to be. But like, I would never leave it there for more than 20-26 seconds. You feel me? Especially at a temperature over 150. Anything over 150, you know, you want to make sure it's rising because it's getting hotter. But